Once again, most global stock markets are sinking. European stock markets are fairly much in the red today. They were in the red on Tuesday as well because of a reaction to German car maker Volkswagen having admitted to have fudged emission tests on cars. Now, that's a very serious allegation and it has a deep impact on Volkswagen's reputation. And there are questions about where else these emission tests could have been missed, in which other parts of the world. So, most of the stock markets, European stock markets, are in the red. US futures signal that American stock markets are also expected to open on a weak note. London FTSE is also down, along with German DAX and French CAC. The question is, how am I able to point out? I had pointed out that this would be a very negative week for stocks. How am I able to tell so much in advance, and how you can take advantage? Well, this is not a guesswork. Let me tell you a very interesting observation by a fund house today. They say that Janet Yellen is going to speak today. I think she speaks very often. And as the Fed chairman is going to indicate her, bias towards raising interest rates at what point of time. So which means we'll get indication about what exactly is going in the mind of Jan Yellen, when exactly she intends to raise the interest rates. Well, I think the Fed Reserve meeting was just last week, right? Last Thursday. What has changed between last Thursday and today that Janet Yellen is going to speak today, what she could not speak last week? She had a huge press conference in which she answered more than like 24 questions. What's going to be new today? I'm very surprised as this fund house saying that no, be on the lookout, there could be some new ideas, some new parameters that Jan Yellen could start spelling out. This is not financial entertainment. Money is very serious business. You're not entertaining people by making them keep watching things. In fact, the basic parameters of stock market is, unless you know what is going on, you should not make comments. Why would Jan Yellen make comments some just different from what she made just last week? Last week she very clearly spelled out that the world of finance is in a state of turmoil and you should be observant, and the Federal Reserve is going to be observing things, and only after that will we come to a decision about interest rates. So nothing changes between last Thursday and this Thursday. The world has not changed. I don't know what brings this fund house to start talking about absurd things and trying to see things which are just not there. There's nothing new that's going to happen today either. Now, how am I able to predict how the markets are going to behave? I can do that a week, month, year in advance. Well, these are not just hunches. These are complex algorithms which we have devised to be able to predict stock market behavior much before others can do. We had a book, the whole model, the financial model was in a book form, in e-book form or physical book form, as you would like, in the 2014, and investors who would like to know more about what lies ahead for the rest of 2015, I suggest do please get a copy of my book 2015 Outlook for Stocks, Bonds, Commodities, Currencies and Real Estate. That does dovetail in great detailed form what is the roadmap ahead, what are the parameters which are going to change, and where exactly are we headed from here. Take care. Happy investing. Bye.